Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your message profile by changing your username. So in here, if you want to change your username, you can tap on the three lines icon at the top and go to the settings. So you can see here under the profile section there will be username options, and this is my current username and I want to change it. So just click on the username option and click on edit username. So here you can use any usernames that you want to, and so you can see that this is not available, so you can try another one if it's not available. For example, like this. Okay, so it's applicable now. You can just click on save at the top, and just like that your username will be changed. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.